Welcome. This is the latest video in my series on the FLSUN Q5 3D printer. And I'll put a link in the description to the hardware I'm using, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. And I'll also put a link to my FLSUN Q5 playlist. In this video I want to talk about this line that's going around the printing. And I'm guessing you can do this with different slicers, but I use Cura, and this was the default setting. So this kind of showed up and I didn't know why it was there. So I did some investigating and found out this is called skirting. And the reason it exists is to prime the system to make it print better. I'll tilt this up a little bit so you can see towards the upper right of the frame, you can see this is not a continuous bead of filament here. So this is where it started, and it was about back here, if I'm even showing up, that's where it started to print well. So if it had just started printing, this first part of the printing of the actual object would have been terrible. So by the time it got around here, it was extruding properly, and it was ready to start the print. So if you don't have this on and you want to turn it on, in Cura you can go to the settings and then just search for skirt, and you should be able to find it. I'll pop this up on the screen right now, what it looks like. The line count on mine is set to 1, and the distance is set to 3, and the minimum is set to 250 millimeters. So I just want to make this quick video because I was wondering what this was, and I'm guessing other people will too. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.